Welcome guys, and today we're making the best fresh pasta you ever had in your life that only takes 3 ingredients and is super simple to make at home. When it comes down to making fresh pasta, let's talk about the ingredients. First, you'll need salt, fresh eggs, preferably from a Happy Chicken, and finally 00 flour, which I always prefer over all-purpose. Now you're probably asking to yourself, what's the difference between all-purpose and 00 flour? Well, let me explain it to you.
00 flour is finely ground and has a very soft texture. It is typically made from soft wheat varieties and is low in gluten, around 8 to 10% protein content. The low gluten content means it produces a softer, more tender pasta dough that is easy to roll out thinly. AP flour is a blend of hard and soft wheat varieties, typically containing around 10 to 12% protein content. It has a slightly coarser texture compared to 00 flour and a higher gluten content. This can result in a pasta dough that is more elastic and chewy. I'm pouring out 1 cup of flour. Create a well in the flour and crack in 2 eggs. Then gradually mix the eggs into the flour with a fork, incorporating a little flour at a time until a dough forms. If the dough starts to stick to your hand, that means you need to add a little bit more flour so it won't stick. Knead the dough for about 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. This helps develop the gluten, which is crucial for a good texture. Wrap the dough in plastic wrap and let it rest at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. This relaxes the gluten and makes the dough easier to roll out.
I'm going to start off with 1 on my pasta machine, then try to end at 6 or 7. Wait a minute. And boom. Now I'm going to flour it. Just like that, and boom. Then put it through the machine again at 2. 2, there we go. And place it in again. There we go. Now I'll place it in at 3. There we go. Oh, hold on. Gotta catch that part. And then I'm gonna hold it just like this because you don't want to puncture it with your fingers. Boom. More flour. There we go. And on the other side, a little bit of And boom. Here we go, flour. Next is 4. I'm gonna stop at 6 for sure. And this will be my last time I put it in the pasta machine. So I'm gonna go in one more time. There you go. Boom, boom, boom. And flop it back. Put your hand over it. There we go. Now I'm going to transfer it into the cutter and let it get a nice cut. Just cut it, boom, easy. Now I'm gonna cut all of these in half. Let me see. So about what, right here. Boom. That in half. And about right here. Perfect. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn this pasta into a delicious but simple dish.
Add in salt to a pot of water. Then when it starts boiling, add in olive oil. And 2 minutes later, add your pasta. Give it a stir and let it cook for about 1 to 3 minutes. In a hot pan, add butter. When the butter is melted, add your sage. Place your pasta in with some of the water. And season with black pepper. And salt. And finally finish it with some Parmigiano Reggiano.
Very, very cheesy. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe if you want more content just like this. Butter and sage really go well together, I can't lie. Wow.